Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, we received our Walmart beauty box, okay? And this one is the fall box. However, this is the upgraded box. So this one is actually called the Space NX Beauty Box for fall 2023. So, for those of you who are not familiar with the Walmart Beauty Box, now the basic box is a little under $7, like $6.95, something like that, plus taxes. Each month you get a nice variety of products, and quite often you do get some full-size products inside. Okay, now this is a seasonal box with the opportunity to upgrade. So this time I purchased the upgraded box. So when I open it up, oh, this one is it says that it's BEAUTYSPACE NX Beauty Box, okay, and across the bottom it does have Walmart. However, this one is a 10, okay? The other one is usually just in the box, okay? So, all right, so there's one upgrade. Let's see what else is inside, okay? Now, I don't usually do this. I just usually get the basic one. Now, this particular upgrade ended up being almost double the price of what the regular one is. It was $13.76, which is probably like $12.99 plus tax. Okay, so let's just check it out and see what's inside. Once again, we do get a description card with it. It says, from iconic makeup bag essentials to the latest must-have moisturizer, no beauty discovery or sensation skips our radar. This curated edit is a taster of some favorite beauty buys, perfect for taking your routine to new heights. Okay, so let's just see the items that were included in this month's box, okay, or 10, all right, for that matter. All right, so the first item that we have, okay, is by Gold Faden, and this is the Wake Up Call, all right, and it's an overnight moisturizer enhancing facial treatment. Can you see that? Okay, and we've gotten these before. As a matter of fact, I have a full size in the drawer, and it says that the full size, which is 1.7 ounces, is normally $88. Whew, okay, and it says apply to face, neck, and décolleté with gentle upward motions. Use nightly. Okay, they are cruelty-free products, and it emphasizes the fact that it is made in the USA. All right, and this one is a 0.4 fluid ounce size. Okay, it's a little over halfway full, but good to have. It's always great when you have one to stick in your purse or in your bag when you are traveling. Okay, so that one is the first item. The next item that we have is by PATCHOLOGY, and it's this one right here, and this one is the Mood Mask Just Let It Glow Sheet Mask, and it says restore your skin's natural glow with this radiance enhancing mask that delivers the perfect combination of pear fruit, sea berry extract, and niacinamide to boost brightness in just 10 minutes. Okay, and this is one mask, and one mask is considered full size, and it is $5. Okay, So that's that one. And then moving right along, the next one that we have is by Lancer Skincare. And it said The Method. And this is the Polish Normal Combination Skin. Okay. And it says this daily exfoliating polish gently and effectively removes debris and dry surface cells, leaving your skin smooth, soft, bright, and renewed. Now, if this were the full size, which is actually 4 ounces, the manufacturer's suggested retail price would be $120. Okay, this one is, of course, the sample size, which is actually a 0.5 ounce. Oh, this is beautiful packaging. A 0.5 ounce size. Okay, and it has a 12-month shelf life. And this one is actually a polish that you use after your cleanser. And this is what it looks like. This is the outer packaging and, of course, the inside packaging. Okay, that's item number 3. And moving right along, the next one that we have is by BEAUTYSPACE. And it's this one right here. BEAUTYSPACE NK, and it says Jasmine and Rose Hand Cream. All right, and it says scented with notes of blooming roses, peach, and fresh coconut. This formula gently moisturizes to leave hands feeling soft and conditioned. All right, now if it were the full size, which would be 3.4 ounces, the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $5. Okay, but this one is a 0.67 fluid ounce size. Okay, and this one has a 12-month shelf life as well. Okay, it's a nice small size. I would really love to open it right about now just so I could see what it smells like, but oh, you can actually smell it through. It has the seal, the foil seal on it, so you can't really open it up. But trust me when I tell you, you can smell it right through this packaging, and it smells rather nice. Okay. Moving right along. Okay, the next item that we have, I've gotten this one several times before, is by Sand and Sky. And this one is the Australian Glowberries Super Bounce Mask. Okay, now it says defeat the dull and bring back the bounce with this Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. Okay. Antioxidant rich emu apple and Australian glowberries brighten and protect the skin from dullness and pollution. Now, if it were the full size, the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $39, and the size would actually be 3.5 ounces. Okay. And this one is just in the, if I'm not mistaken, the last 2 items are just in the Space NK box. Okay. Now this one is a cruelty-free product as well. And it also has a 12-month shelf life. Okay. This is interesting. It says it's designed to grow and plump. Okay, let's keep right on going. The next sample that we have is by Miami Beach Balm. All right, and it says this one is the Reef Safe Coconut Avocado Hair Shield Sachet. Okay, now it says a leave-in conditioner that protects all hair types from the damaging effects of sun, ocean, and pool. A nourishing base of aloe and coconut hydrates your scalp and hair, while avocado and biotin fortify and protect each strand. Okay, now if this were a full size, the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $19 and it would be 3.4 ounces. Okay, and it's a woman-owned product with vegan ingredients. It's carbon neutral, and they want you to know that they definitely give back. Now, here's the thing. This one, okay, is cruelty-free as well. Now, it says it has a 12-month shelf life, okay? Now, we know that 12 months from the time that the package is open. However, on the top of this, there is a stamp that says it expires in June 2024. Okay, you see that right over here? Right at the top, okay? So just so you know, make sure you double check for those things as well. Now, this sachet is a 0.169 fluid ounce size, okay? Then, let's see, we're getting to the bottom. The next one that we have is by Eve Lhomme. And it's this one right here. And this is a foaming cream cleanser. All right. Now, it says a hydrating enzyme-infused foaming cleanser that uses the power of water to activate an innovative cream-to-foam lather. Delicately wipe away makeup and impurities without drying skin or clogging pores. Now, if this were a full size, it would be $60 and it would be 4 fluid ounces. Now, this product, the sample is 0.10 fluid ounce size, and it is just a sachet, okay? I'm liking. Okay, so just so that you know, that's what it is, okay? All right, and now we're down to the last item, which is not new to this channel. It's a product that we absolutely love, and I know my G1 is going to take this one because she loves a good eye mask. And this is the Rodial Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patch, okay? And it says, Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches visibly smooth, plump, and restore hydration to under eye contours with the protective powers of dragon's blood. Okay. And if this were a full size, the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $34 and it would be a 4 count. Okay, which is what we've normally gotten in the boxes. Okay, now this one says it does not expire until January 18th, 2026. Okay, I love these patches. When I can keep them, the hydration, and I end up with puffiness under my eyes sometimes from the issue that I had, but these help so much. And the leftover serum that's in it, just blend it all over your face. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. So I am not disappointed at all to get this one. It says 20% skin hydration shield, dragon's blood, and hyaluronic acid. Okay, now let me just think about this for a second. Now, I only have 2 extra products. I believe it's 2, it may be 3 extra products that I would have received in the box, the normal fall box. But because I did the Space NK, I got the 10. Now, are you telling me getting this 10 and 3 other products is worth another $6? I'm not sure I agree with that. I'm really not sure that I agree with that. But I guess it makes it easier to transport. I don't know. I'm gonna have to really think about that. I need to think that through, because I would have rather purchased 2 boxes for that price than to have purchased this with these other 2 samples. It would have been different, I think, if it were an extra couple of full-size products or something like that. This did not appeal to me much. Not much at all, to have gotten the upgraded edition for this extra cost. I'm pretty sure I would have been satisfied and didn't feel like I missed out on anything if I just purchased a regular box. So, you know, the next one that we get for the winter season, I promise you, it will be in the regular box unless they come up with something that is out of this world, because, you know, the holiday season is during that time. Okay? I'm just saying. It, to me, that was not that big of a deal to have to spend extra money on it. Okay? Now this, normally we get 5 to 7 products. We got 8. And I'm not sure what exactly is different than what would have been in the box that's $6.98. But nonetheless, so we'll just keep moving on from there. But like I said, the last season's box was amazing. And in that one, I received the Dickinson's Micellar Witch Hazel makeup remover. This is gone, so you know this lasts me 3 months. So that, I really would have been okay. But nonetheless, so let me know your thoughts. Did you sign up for the Space NK box? Or did you get the regular box? Or is this something you hadn't heard of or didn't care to try? Let me know down below what your thoughts are, okay? I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our fall Walmart beauty box, okay? Upgraded edition, okay? And these are the items that were included, okay? And we don't necessarily have a price for you for full-size products other than the one face mask, because that is the only full-size product in here, okay? Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it. Anyone who didn't know or you think would like to know about the beauty products that Walmart is known for, share it with them, okay? So that they can see it's very affordable, even when you just choose the regular box. And we do usually get a few full-size products in there. But nonetheless, I thank you so very much. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.